Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you JavaScript variable like declaring variable first, then assign variable later, value later. Okay. So if you can understand English, so I will highly recommend try all the tutorial. Try to watch all the tutorial in English. Why? Because in company, Hindi and some other language in India is not allowed. Uh, is allowed, but if you want a good position at a job, so you have to just speak English. Okay. So I'm going to just teach you declare variable first, then assign later. Okay. So do not just if you can't understand English, I already told you. So try this video. Try to watch this video 3 to 4 times. Okay. I think your concept will be clear. Okay. So firstly, let's open VS Code. So if you cannot understand what I am teaching here, so I highly recommend watch my previous tutorial on variable, then come back to this tutorial. I hope your concept will be clear. Okay. Let's first declare variable first. Okay, like let. I'm not going to use var because I already told you in the previous tutorial that using var maybe complete some point on your code. Like when you will build a real life application, you will get some error and the code will be really unmanageable. Okay, so that's why always avoid var keyword. And let keyword is introduced in JavaScript ES6. This is not a song like you just love old song, and this is a coding. So it's a fast paced work environment in coding. So you have to upgrade. That's why they just introduce late keyword in ES6. Okay, let's declare first a variable using let name, like my name equal to my name is Suman, Suman, Suman. Okay, so if I just print it console.log console.log my name, and if I just print it here, so I'm just going to open browser. I'm not going to open terminal. So firstly let's open terminal, then I will show you on browser. Okay, so if you can understand what I'm teaching here in terminal, don't worry, just watch this tutorial and then get back to this tutorial. Like firstly I'm going to teach you on terminal, then I will teach you on browser. Matlab it means that output I'm going to show you on browser. Okay, so first let's open terminal, like new terminal, and here if I call node, like node dash var test, why test. So guys, so just wait, I'm going to teach you. So as you can see that node.test, what does this mean? It means that I am calling node. Node means it's a JavaScript engine, right? And test means this file. Okay, so in every output you have to just call node, and if I hit enter here, like it will be print Shumon. Okay, so let's hit enter, and as you can see that here it's giving output like SUMA and Shumon, my output. So if you just get output it in your browser, you have to create a separate. So this, what is benefit here? You do not need to go every time on your browser to see the output. Okay, so even you don't need to create index.html. This file you don't require, and if you want to get output on your browser, you have to create index.html. Then you have to link script, and you have to link with the external JavaScript, then you have to see output. So let's see on browser. Open with live server. I'm going to open it with live server. So as you can see that hello JavaScript tutorial. So where it is coming from? It is coming from like HTML. Okay. So as you can see that here I call a I introduce here h1 and JavaScript tutorial, and it is outputting here. So in order to get output JavaScript, you have to open console. So console for developer, not for user. Okay, so I'm going to inspect it, and as you can see, this is element and this is like HTML. Element tab means HTML. Okay, so this is the all the code I have written, and this is like do not focus on it because it's due to like live server, so do not focus on it. So like console, and here I've got lots of error, so do not focus on it. It is due to live server, and the error I am describing here, internet disconnected, means my internet connection is disconnected. Okay, and lots of are 404 not found, and this is server error. Do not worry, so just watch it, just focus on it, SUMN, the same output I'm getting like this. I'm getting here Suman, and also I'm getting here Suman. Okay, so the main point is, okay, so now I'm going to teach you what is the main point. Okay guys, I set my VS Code and browser side by side, like seeing output, and now if I just declare multiple variable. So multiple, how to declare multiple variable? Okay, so let's see, like let my friend name, friend name, address, 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 and zip code, zip. Okay, so what I've done here, I have done I declared the variable. Okay, I declared the variable. So the term is that I declared the variable, like let my name, my friend name. So this is like I am just trying to describe variable in one line. So this is shorthand. Okay, shorthand. And if you just go with it long way, like you have to declare first let my friend name, again let address, again let zip code. So I'm not going to do that. I just declare it using just single let and in one line. Okay, so if I just now assign like my friend name, assign value, my friend name equal to Rajdeep, Rajesh, Rajesh, Rajesh. Okay, so if you are just watching for foreign, so my friend is John. Okay, so my friend name is John. Okay, my friend name is John, and now if I just address like USA, California, CaliFONIA, California. I know that I made a spelling mistake, so do not focus on it. And address is California, and zip code and JDI, that it is recommending here, like recommending. Zip code is like, okay, zip code is zip code is like 741124. Okay, so this is my zip code. Okay, so now if I call all the variable, how we will access? Look, that I am just declaring here. Okay, I am just declaring and assigning the value, but I am not calling, like I am not logging, and I am not printing like document.write. I am not printing like console.log. I am not doing that. Okay, so if I just now if I if I want to, okay, now if I want to print like all, if I want to print all, so my name, and also I want to print like my friend name. I want to also print address. I want to also print zip code. Okay, so as you can see that all the variable and all the values is printed here. Okay, Shumon, my friend name is John. Okay, so let's just circle you. So my name is here Sumon, and my friend name is John, like this. My friend name is John. Address is California, and zip code is 741124. Okay, so this how you can use how you can describe variable and assign value later. Okay, So this way you can assign value. Even I can update my value, like Sumon to, like if I just update here like my name, my name to something else, like my name is like Jack. If I just update it, look that Sumon is updated, and this is the new version of my name, Jack. Okay, I didn't give a semicolon. Okay, so I give a semicolon, and then value is updated to Jack. Okay, so that's is, and okay, so let's print it with using Node. Hey Node, I want to run toast. So as you can see that here it's saying Jack John USA California 741124. This is not my pin code, and I just gave it randomly. So that's why you can declare variable, and you can combine variable. Okay, you can combine variable and you can declare them single line, and you can assign them later. Okay, so I hope this tutorial, in this tutorial you have learned something. So if you do so, I will request you that just subscribe my channel and like the video. So I will really appreciate it. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial. Take care, bye bye, and yeah, don't forget to practice. Okay, so in programming, if you do not practice, you will forget sooner or later. Okay, so thank you for watching.